Here's another great example of how paint is used to create the look of a different material. This is called fantasy marble. Now, I'm told that this is not too tough to learn. I would still leave it to the pros, and I've got a couple of pros with me here. We've got Carol Vonish,
right.
Deborah Lyles, no relation, we don't think. So Carol, tell me, fantasy marble, how do you create this?
This column was originally a white form, and what we've done is put in a mid-range base coat on it. And what I'm doing now is applying a lighter shade of glaze with a paint infused in it.
Okay.
And I'm just sponging this on. This technique is simple to do because it is the sponging technique, and the secret in it is just doing layers of it, many layers. And the average person with limited knowledge on faux finishing could do this column.
You know, you looked straight at me when you said limited knowledge.
No.
I understand, really, I really do.
Okay, all right.
So from there, where do we go?
All right, from here, Deb is starting our drifts.
In order to create the drifts, we'll use colors that are on the opposite end of the palette. Like the darkest and the lightest, we'll lay them in right beside each other, and that will create all the movement.
And one of the things about this technique is there is no veining in the it's drifts of color.
So that's the difference between marbling and fantasy marble.
And fantasy
Okay.
marble, but we don't do any type of veining in this process.
On average, how long is it going to take to do one column?
Average, it takes about 4 to 5 hours.